the simplicity crafting Thai brown egg fried rice. For those who adore the spicy, tangy, and aromatic delights of Thai cuisine, Khao Pad or fried rice is a dish that never disappoints. The beauty of Thai brown egg fried rice lies in its simplicity and versatility, making it a favorite comfort food for families across Thailand. From its rich texture to its fragrant aroma that fills your kitchen, crafting this dish is about more than just following a recipe. In the link clip description, it is an ode to the heart of Thai home cooking. This dish is more than just a meal. It is an experience that transports the eater to the bustling street markets of Thailand or a cozy Thai kitchen. It is incredibly flexible for those who wish to customize. Consider adding a splash of fish sauce for an extra savory layer, or toss in stir-fried vegetables for color and texture. Thai brown egg fried rice is not just about routine. It is about rekindling connections with Thai culture and creating your personal version of this classic dish.